Welcome back to another Playmo AF video, guys. Keeping with the clicky-centric theme that we have going here, I thought we would do an unboxing of a clicky. This is set number 70811, the Asian princess. Chinese princess would be accurate. But I got this one from Entertainment Earth because it is not available on the Playmobil.com site in the US anyway. So don't ask me how Entertainment Earth was able to get it and Playmobil.com wasn't. Anyway, this is a fantastic figure. I almost hate to tear it open, but I have to because I just can't help myself. As I am half Asian, I do favor these figures a lot, and so I'm waiting to find a figure that represents Thailand, and I hope Playmobil does something about it soon. But anyway, we have a pink box mostly, and we have a large picture here of a Chinese structure, and maybe a couple other structures in the back there, and it appears to be a garden. And our figure is in the forefront wearing a beautiful pink gown, and we're going to take a look at that in just a second. There are 7 pieces included in this set, and we're going to take a look at those once we have the figure open. On the back side we have the choking hazard warnings, the country of manufacture and origin, and the barcode. And then we have our figure, our clicky, photographed as well, and her golden dragon, her golden good luck dragon, is perched on her arm, which is a really nifty addition and feature, really. I don't know if it's resting on her arm, like if were they able to like manipulate it so it would stay, or if it actually is made to perch on her arm. I do not know. Anyway, let's forget about the packaging details and take a look at this. Okay, and here she is out of the box with her good luck dragon. We're going to take a look at him first. Well, he is not made to perch onto her arm. I wonder if they just did a little Photoshop and made it look like that, or what. Let's see here. So, well, yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to get, where is this? I don't think I'm going to be able to get this on there unless I concentrate really hard, but that would make this a very long video. Hold on a second. What? Okay, cool. So it can balance on the arm, but it wouldn't take a whole lot to knock it off. So, yeah. But yeah, this is a good luck dragon, I guess. And it is very cool. So the other pieces are, we got 1 here, we got 2 as the figure, 3, 4 for the buns, and they do come off just like that. And this is what she looks like without them. I kind of like them more with than without. She kind of looks silly without them. Still looks a little bit like Mickey Mouse, if you think about it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the fan. And this is a different fan design. Well, not a design, but the colors are different for sure. And then she's wearing these, what in real life would be these wooden sandals. And that's very customary of China to do. Taking the fan off, she has a gorgeous gown on, or robe, or kimono, or whatever you want to call it. Kimono is Japanese, by the way, and it's got a nice little floral design, and this golden belt, which complements the dragon, or maybe the dragon complements the belt and the fan as well. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Told you I'd keep it short. I hope you liked it, and check us out on Instagram if you haven't yet. We can be found on Playmo.af, and we've got more on the way, so check us out very soon. Until next time, guys, have a good day. Bye-bye.